The first robotics competition is going to be February 26th through the 28th. About 50 teams of high schoolers are participating in this challenge. They're creating robots to pick up these moon rocks. Check it out.
Well, they start with a basic kit, and they have an entrance fee, and they pay that entrance fee, and they have this basic kit that's given to them on January 3rd is when they receive that kit. Then it's up to them to decide how they're best going to implement other parts of the robot to achieve the goal. And so they give the students in the basic kit the exact same wheels, okay, and they give them a certain number of motors. And it's up to the students to decide, if it's heavier, is it going to have more friction, and so the students have to determine how they best want to build the number of motors. The idea is they'll pull a trailer, and that trailer, the object for the other team is to get these moon rocks or space balls into this trailer. And so the more you can get in your opponent's trailer, the more points you will get.
It will have to calculate exactly how fast the other robot's moving and calculate how far it will have to throw the balls with how much force and everything in order to make the ball go into the other trailer.
Well, the idea is give them something that's they haven't seen before, and give them something that's challenging. I think, once again, the most satisfying thing you'll do is the most challenging thing, and see how they come up and solve the problem. And certainly at the kickoff, you look at these kids, and a lot of them have this deer-in-the-headlight look, like, oh, how can I do this? But you take it one step at a time, and you learn with people that know what they're doing.
Our mentor, Drew, he is very good at all this programming and figuring everything out. He's an expert in the field. He's been doing electrical engineering for quite a while, and he knows a lot of this stuff, especially for this year's competition.
And there were people that mentored me and helped me out, and if they hadn't done that, who knows where I would have gone. I was in the Navy for 22 years, NASA for 9. Flew on the shuttle back in 2002, went to space station, did 3 spacewalks, and got to do every kid's dream, and it certainly was my dream. But I know I wouldn't have been able to do that if I hadn't had certain things in my life that encouraged me to pursue that path. 26th to 20th of February here at the Cox Convention Center. It'll be in the main arena here. There'll be a pit area. You'll get to be able to go through and see the pit, see what the kids are doing, talk to them, ask them questions. We want the representatives to come out, senators and representatives here in the state, to see what their kids are doing. It's all about math and science and getting kids motivated and improving the quality of engineers here in the state of Oklahoma.